Hello everyone, today I am at an automotive car event where manufacturers bring down their cars for people like us to test drive, and today I'll be testing out the new 2021 Fiat 500e. So here it is, the 2021 Fiat 500e, and I have already reviewed this car, funnily enough, a while back, and I did criticise it a lot about the design and stuff like that, but they still kept the same distinctive design but changed a few elements. For example, you now get a new headlight design. You've got these eyebrows right here, which I wonder where they got that from. Oh no! And then coming around the side, you've still got the iconic Fiat 500 shape that's been going on for so long. Different alloy wheel designs, very similar to the prior generation. I wasn't a fan of those, and I'm not a fan of them now. Anyway, coming around the back, you've got this 3D rear tail light effect going on. Really small boot actually, 118 litres I believe. You've got the charger right there. You can't fit anything in the back of that, but yeah, weird, well, very electric design, let's just say. And also a big change in the doors actually. There's no door handle, there's actually a button to open it. Anyway, let's jump into the interior of the Fiat 500e, and jumping in here, it's very different to the Fiat 500 that I reviewed last year. Completely different. No, they haven't kept anything the same in here. Massive infotainment system, I can't believe I'm saying that. Big infotainment system, which is a good thing in my books. Digital screen, no more analog dials anymore. Similar, well, flat bottom. Got a flat bottom steering wheel in a Fiat 500. That's incredible. You actually get a proper center console in this car now. No massive hole there, and there's stuff in there for, you know, a lot of items, let's just say. Believe it or not, storage in this car is actually pretty good. And also, in these little door pockets here, it says made in Torino. Classic Italian car. I am still not a fan of these flat base. Well, they're not that flat basey anymore, but I'm still not a fan of these seats. They're just too living room chairy, and also the seating position is way too high up. I do not feel like I'm hunkered down in this car. I think something like a Honda E is more of a exciting car to drive. That car comes with fully independent rear suspension, a Honda E. Think about that. Rather good infotainment system, I must say, but I would be using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, and it does connect up wirelessly, which is incredible. One negative, well, another negative in this car is there is no footrest for your left foot, so you do find yourself tapping the brake a little bit there, and it's slightly annoying. But anyway, enough talking. I think we should go for a drive in the new Fiat 500e. Right peeps, now let's go for a drive in the Fiat 500e. And watch this, listen to this when it starts. Oh, it didn't do it. Right, maybe when you close it. How weird is that? 72% of battery left, 103 miles. That is not a lot of range. Okay, vehicle's ready to start, of course, no engine. Right, going for a drive in the Fiat 500e. Now, a few things I didn't mention on the exterior of the car. You get a massive spoiler at the rear. Now, no idea if this aids with aerodynamics. I assume it definitely does not. And you get these protruding indicators, which, once again, I don't think I'm a massive fan of those. The noises it makes when you're traveling at low pace is so bizarre. GR Yaris, look at that in blue. Bloody hell, that's cool. Rally spec, WRC spec even. Thank you very much, sir. And yeah, now I have no idea where on earth to put my left leg, because it's just interfering with all the stuff, well, the pedals in fact, and it's not the best. Riding position or seat position is a little bit too high. I feel like you're best off getting yourself a Honda E, because the ranges, they aren't much different. The rear seats, there's not a lot of space in the back of there. You won't be able to fit, I don't know, maybe, no chance you get an adult down there. Probably a child under, well, a person under the age of 16 years old. But nonetheless, I think since we're driving it, let's test out the acceleration, etc., and see what it's got to offer. Now, it's got a 118 brake horsepower motor and does 0 to 60 or 0 to 62 in about 9.3 seconds, which is good for an electric car. I assume, considering it only weighs 1.3 tons, that's quite light. And there's the other Fiat 500 press car. How are you doing, sir? That was Sam. Right, let's give this car. Whoa! What was that? That's just instant. I think this is my first fully electric vehicle experience. I have not driven a electric vehicle before. Yeah. Now you get a little gauge at the side here that shows you if you're, you know, if you're in the power section or if you're on the regen side of things. I assume you can adjust the regen on this car. Let's actually go flick through the drive modes. Oh, there's a volume. Oh, the volume knob's here. Okay. Now, yeah, I clearly have not looked enough. Right, so E mode. What are the drive modes actually? You got normal. Oh, so you got range. God, the braking is brutal. Look at that. Wow, you don't even have to use your left foot. Right, so you got normal, which is okay. Range. Oh my God, that is, you don't even have to use your left foot to brake. If you're a lazy person, this is the perfect vehicle to get. God, the regeneration, I don't know what on earth is that. That's ridiculously strong. Ridiculously strong. Now it's best we make a U-turn because I have no idea where I'm going. Visibility is okay. You get massive wing mirrors on this car. Way too big for the Fiat 500, unnecessarily big. Indicators and stalks, it's a massive improvement over the previous generation, well, the previous model, because they seem like they were made out of, God knows what on earth they were made out of, but they felt like they were going to snap off every time you put the indicator on. Let's just do this again. That's weird. On the whole though, it's still something I would not go for. Now you get some Italian city design here. I don't know what this is. Some extra storage. Storage is plenty. The range is not that good in this car. To be honest, it's only for city driving. That is it. I don't think it will handle well on motorways. Even in the city though, you're gonna struggle not to break the speed limits because one, you put your foot down and then you're at 50. Can't believe I'm saying this, but is a Fiat 500 fast? No, that can't be right. No, the Fiat 500 is still bad, but this one's just a little better. The handling, not there at all. Handling is really, really ropey. Look at that. The car does slosh about a bit. It's not the best around corners. And I assume the suspension is a little bit stiff as well compared to any other car because of the batteries weighing it down by a massive ton. Oh, no start stop. Oh wait, there won't be start stop, it's an electric car. The torque is instant. Woohoo! In and around town, it's okay. Like over these bumps, even though the ride may be on the firmer side, it could still handle bumps pretty well. Look, the steering is so light. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I could probably do it with one little finger, pinky. Look at that. I don't know how Fiat do it, but everyone just, well, the younger generation just love the Fiat 500. Maybe it's just design talk. It's subjective, let's just say. So it looks like parking sensors all around, and the reversing camera. Why is it only missing half the screen pretty much? Why is it not a wider screen? Can we make it, what on earth is that? That's weird. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. That's all I have. I'm sorry it's short. I only have 35 minutes with this car. Please do like, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.